Good afternoon, everyone. So this is a short video of my project where I will show you the full functionality and features of the project. Okay. So let's start from the scratch. Like there are three repos present in my project. So one is the front end. Front end is the main application, and another one is the admin panel. So admin can manage all those things. He can add the product. He can choose the types. He can add the categories. He can add the subcategories. So admin can do a lot of things. Admin can also give some offer to specific users. Admin can also do a lot of things. Okay. So this is my admin panel. Okay, so those projects are running locally. So it's running on localhost 5172 and it's running on 5173. So this is my admin panel. So I have to authenticate this is the authentication page where I have to fill the admin email and admin password. After that, I can log in to the admin panel. So this is the main application, main e-commerce store. There are some category. You can see all the category by clicking on the see all option. So there are all the categories are shown over there. Tea, coffee, and more at Dal. If you click on the tea, coffee, and more, there are some subcategories like drink mixes, green tea, coffee. By default, it will show all. And if you click on the drink mixes, green tea, so in the green tea, there are some products, those are related to green tea. And if you click on the tea, there are some products, those are related to tea. And all those subcategories are related to the main category, tea, coffee, more. Okay. Now if I click on the product, so there are some products, there are some types of the product like 500 gram, 1 kg, and there are some oil products. So there are some another type like 1 liter, 2 liter, 500 ml. So I also show you like there are some 5 liter. So there are only one types like 5 liter. The price will be 5 liter is 593. If you want to add the product, so I can add the product. So I have to authenticate, I have to log in or create the account. After that, I can add the product. Otherwise, I can't add the product in the cart. So I am creating a new account for that. I'm giving some another email. Paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 @gmail.com, and I have to type some password. After that, I can log in. I am putting my name, email, and password. After that, I can create the account. If I create the account, there are some like that icon is changed to profile icon. So if I click on the profile icon, there are these are the profile section. So if you click on the orders, so I haven't placed any orders yet. So all the orders are shown over there. If I click on the support page will open. If I click on the address page will open. If I click on the cart, it will move to the cart page. If I move to the cart page, so there are nothing in the cart. Okay, so there are some profile page. So I can edit my name and email, and I can also log out. And there are also like logout option, and I can go to the home. So I am adding some product in the cart. So 2 products are added. Now I will show you the admin panel. So what admin can do. So now I am logging with my admin authentication credential. Then I am entering the password. So in admin section, I haven't got so much time for the admin section. I will implement all those features later. Like I have implemented a lot of features, but I will implement some features are not implemented yet. So there are 4 sections. The first section is categories. So you can add category. After adding the category, you can add the subcategory. Okay. So if you have to add the category, like I have added a category Rice Dal. The image URL is like if there are image URL is present or not, and by click on the action, you can edit or you can delete the category. If I go to the subcategory, I can create a subcategory. So I have to give some name, and I have to choose which category it is belong. It is belong to fruit vegetable, or it is belong to sweet cravings, or it is belong to dairy bread eggs. So I have to choose, and I have to put some image URL over there. After that, I can add the category. I can add the subcategory. After adding the subcategory, I can choose the product. Like I can add the product. So if I click on the add button, so there I have to pass the product name, image URL. So there are some interesting things. So admin can do 5 images also, or 3 images also, or 10 images also. So giving 3 blank input field, it's not like user perspective it's not good. Okay, so I have to, from the user perspective, it is not good like giving 3 blank input fields. So what I have done here, I have clicked, if the admin click on the add another image, another input field will open. If he again click, so if you again click, so there are like you can put 4 image, you can put 10 image, that doesn't matter, and you also can remove those things. After adding the image, we have to choose which category it belongs. It belongs to Rice Dal, or it belongs to fruits or vegetables. So after clicking on the fruits vegetable, we have to choose the subcategory. Like if the admin click on the fruits vegetable, and like So the fruits vegetables subcategories are only shown. If we click on masala dry foods, only masala dry foods subcategories are shown. And after that, he have to add some description. After adding those things, he can add the product. Now he have to add the product types. So there are some products. So which product he want to add the type, he have to choose, and the type like 100 ml like that, and he have to choose the price of 100 ml. So the product type also added. I will show you some adding some type. So Taj Mahal tea. Okay. So let's find the Taj Mahal tea and add another type. So if I click Taj Mahal tea, where is the Taj Mahal tea? Okay. So I have to choose the type, like which type I want to add. 1 kg. So I want to add 500. No, I have to add 2 kg. I want to add 2 kg. I have to choose the price. So it will 1600 something. So the type is added. I can see also. If I scroll down, I can see Taj Mahal tea 74 2 kg. And if I refresh the page once, the types are added. The type is also added. So nothing is hard coded over there. So, and the last interesting option is offers. So admin can create an offer. Also, admin can give an offer. Like he can give a offer to some specific user. So user can enable those offers on the payment page. So admin, first I want to create a. I will show you by creating an offer like 10% off. No, it's like 30% off on all orders. I'm creating another. I'm creating another offer. Orders. 30% of all orders. I have to choose the minimum order value, like how much card values are required for avail the offer. So it's like 600 rupees and 30%. So I have created the offer, and now I can give the offer to any user. Like first of all I will show the email ID. So it is test like that. So I have to choose the user. Test 23456. Okay. Test 23456. So right now there are no offers. Okay. So if I go to the cart page, so there are no offer and no addresses. So 0 offer as well. So I am giving the offer to this user. Offer is given, and if I refresh the page, I can see there are only one offer, and I am availing the offer. So the offer is avail, like 30% of 570. Sorry, 10% of. I will give the 10%. Also, I want to give the 30% offer. Test 23456. Okay, and if I refresh the page, so 30% offer is going. So for 30%, the minimum order value should be 600. So my card value is 575. So I can't avail the offer. So I have to add some quantity, increase some quantity, and like I have to. Now I can avail the offer, and 30% of the 860 is avail, like 258 rupees. Now I can add the address. Before adding the address, I can't pay. So I have to add the address. I'm adding the address. So I have implemented Google Maps API for that. So I can choose the location from there. Like I will choose my home address. It also automatically took the user address. So user have to allow like something. There are some pop-up coming. So user have to allow that. And I am entering some fields. So I have added those things. Now if I click on save and continue, the address is added. So I have to choose the address. Now the continue to payment button is showing. Now I can pay. So if I click on that, so if there are 607, also there are 607. So if I click on the net banking, so I have implemented Razorpay over there. So if I click on the net banking, so this is a test page, and if I click on the pay now button, and I can click the success or failure. So the payment is completed, and it will move to the order completed page. Yeah, so it will move to the orders and orders completed page. So I can see that don't think we are delivering your order, and I can download invoice also. So there are some orders. Now if I click on the home page and if I click on the profile menu, I can see how many orders are there. So there are only one order, and the price will be, then price was 609, and if I click, so the details are also shown, and the price are also shown, like 865 was the total price, and I am getting some handling fee, and offer discount I am giving to the user, and 609 will be the final amount. So this is all the features and functionality of my project, and I want to show you another thing. So this is a search page, so user can also search some product, and so the search result will show. And I have also implemented debouncing over there, and the project is like fully responsive. If I show you, like this is also fully responsive. I can go to the orders page, I can see the order. So this is fully responsive, no worries. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really like the project. Thank you.